you thought I didn't understand English, but it's not true. I understood all about what he told. Because hard language, it's same. It's not important which language you speak with tongue. I understood all these words about what you can tell, because you talk from your heart. And was yes, sensei. And I would like to tell who is my sensei, who is my teacher. Of course, it's good. This is my teacher. And this is my sensei. Of course, all this. Pose and namaste, only for him. Because without spirit, karate is for me only exercise. If you train only for fight, it's not serious. And it's not good. Without respect is nothing. Respect is the main. If you take respect from your school, Gurukul, it will be nothing. Only knowledge without respect, I think, not work. And respect is very important. And we will begin always with respect. And when we will finish, we will also do this respect. Very important. And tell me, in this position, who is higher? I or he? Who is higher? In this position? Equal.
Both are equal.
Correct. Correct. And this is understanding. Yes. Then we are having some respect for you also. We are in same position. This is very important things. It was before when some enemy, some dangerous people coming with some knife and another, they have only one chance. But this idea is not good. It's not, you should not think. Only karate can help you for your spirit way. It will be the best. It will be the best.